Hello, good morning. My name is Sharma. I am from DDT2C. My matrix number is 01 DDT19F 2073. I'm here to talk about the user interface to design the developed website of Akusuka Bakery. Expect the unexpected. Contains company logo, company name, links, tab, social media links. Login. This is the web page of login, which is name of client zone. Register number will be login here. Register email and password in order to give access. Registration for Akusuka Bakery. Registration section. Enter verified email address, phone number, full name and home address and set password. About. Details about the bakery shop. Then product. Bakery menu section. Name of the items and the price of the items are available. Contain two parts, which is the main menu part and another part. In this page we can see the items and the price of the items, and also the parts, that main menu and the dessert part. Order from. Customer can select their desired product. User can select the payment type and product delivery date. We can order from this page by on order booking. Payment method. Two types of payment method are available. First, bank deposit, and secondly is cash on delivery, which is COD. Customer can choose their convenient payment option. Social media. Provides three social media platform to check out. First is Facebook page that provide information about the bakery promotion of Akusuka Bakery, and secondly is Instagram, used for promotion and internet updates. Thirdly is YouTube, videos on upcoming dishes and simple recipes. Application of Schneiderman's 8 golden rules in the website design. Strive for consistency, which is the Schneiderman's golden, this one. Each of the every tabs had link in the home page, uses the same method of accessing. Each and every tabs had link in the home page and uses the same method of accessing. Secondly, the rule is also applied to the bakery menu section. In the menu list, the user can simply click on the each item to view the details in depth. Enable frequent users to use shortcut. Visitors can use the shortcut to do quick tasks. If they wanted to paste their email ID on the email query field, they can simply copy their email and use the CTRL V key combination to paste their email ID on that field. It can make the customer easy to access to this website. Third, offer informative feedback. As per informative feedback, this information had been shown after the table booking. After customer done with the selection process, an information list will be shown as a result. This feedback result will help the user to continue with consequent process. Fourth, design dialog to yield closure. After customer sent a message feedback to the company, the customer sent the message. The system confirm the customer that the message written by the customer had been sent to the bakery shop. You can see up there, which is thank you for contacting us. We have received your message and will be respond to you soon. Fifth, offer simple error handling. An error message had been shown when the user entered an unorganized email. Showing this error message to the customer of a visitor able to know that the email ID is not valid, so the user can take action in order to continue with this process. 6. Permit easy reversal of action. An order had made upon a product in the website. The order is to be cancelled. The customer can cancel the order quickly by clicking on the cancel order option. They can immediately change or reverse their action. 7. Support internal locus control. The user should be initiators of action instead of responders. Due to increased the trust of the user that use have to full control over the system. 8. Reduce short term of memory load. Shows search field within the website. A user can search for anything related to the products available in the website. The previous searches will be shown under the search bar as a suggestion. Thank you.